Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at one of the Binance Finance products, gift cards. So we're going to look at how do you create a gift card and also how do you redeem a gift card. So there are two ways to access gift cards. The first one is while you are still logged onto your homepage, click on More, then scroll down to Gift and Campaign, and you're going to see a gift card, click on that. So this is the gift card page. The other way to access gift cards is while you are on your home page, at the far right corner where you see wallets, click on that. And on the top bar, funding, click on funding. And then next to pay, where you see P2P pay, you'll see gift card, click on gift card. And it's going to bring you on the same page. So you can access gift cards in those two ways. Now, first way is by creating gift cards. So what you do is at the middle bar, on the bottom bar, you see a plus sign, click on that. And you're going to click on buy gift card, okay? And now I have some Shiba Inu in my account. So currently I have 200,000 Shiba Inu. And I want to send 100,000 Shiba Inu as my gift card. So I'm going to create a gift card. Click on gift card, and I'm going to select Shiba Inu right here, and I'm going to select 50% because I have 200,000 and I want to send 100,000. So I'm going to select 50%, but the number can also be altered here and input manually. And then I click buy now, confirm. Now for extra safety, I'm going to have to verify because somebody might be using my account to send themselves a gift card. So it's good to verify. Once I'm done copying the code, submit. And then that's it. I have created my gift card of 100,000 Shiba Inu. Then I'm going to click send. Now I can send this via text, I can send this via email, and I can directly send to an account. But in this case, I'm choosing to send via text. So assuming I just want to send it out there and copy the code. So normally, you usually get a 16-digit code like this, and you're told to redeem your gift card, okay? So when you get a code like this, all you do is the copy code, and this is what you're going to use when you're redeeming. So it's copied. Now, you can track the gift cards you've created and see the status if they have been redeemed or not. While you're still on your home page on your gift cards, click on user at the far right corner where you see user, click on user. And you can see that I have Binance Classic, 100,000 Shiba Inu, and it has not yet been redeemed. Because once it's redeemed, you'll see like Binance Classic redeemed. So you can see these other codes have been redeemed. Now this has not been redeemed yet. So now let's see how do you redeem. So back onto your home page, right? This is your home page like that. Right next to the plus sign, you can see the redeem button. So click on redeem, enter your code. We had already copied the code. So this is how you redeem. You're going to click on that and then paste the code there and then click on redeem. So once there, you'll see it will say redeem to Spot Wallet. Then you're going to click on redeem. And that is it. Very easy and very simple. You see that this card has been redeemed. Great. And we can go back to our user. And our card history says that now this card has been redeemed. So that is the very simple way of creating and sending a gift card and also how to redeem a gift card. In case of any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next tutorial.